Nothing going on. There is absolutely nothing going on. Simple words. There's nothing going on at all. Here they're telling you exactly how to wear a mask. Those who does not know how to wear a mask, follow the instructions on this. It's from the San Francisco government, face covering / face covering. The City and Council of San Francisco. How to wear it in Chinese, in Spanish, and in English. What's so interesting is always cover your nose and mouth. Make sure it fits snugly against the sides of your face. So don't wear it under your nose, don't wear it around your chin, and don't wear it around so that it should be worn exactly right around the chin, from nose to chin, not just nose and mouth, nose to chin. It's got a little concertina style. Yeah. And what else have we got? Stay healthy, it says. Vote safely. 3rd of November elections. They're also reminding you how to vote. Yeah, so register to vote. And keep your registration current. And sign up for the ballot updates. So everything is happening under, it's a massive year. Year 2020 is a massive year, I should say. Yeah. So the most critical year of all times in human history, folks. So if you're wearing a mask, right? Can you see how I'm wearing it? Right over my nose. Covered with my sunglasses, it's steaming it up, right under my chin, all the way around. Can't see the white hair. That's a good idea. Anyway, it's all snugly fit on this side. Anyway, it's telling you here, wear it around top to bottom, 2 arrows. That's the perfect way to do it. Don't wear it under your nose. Don't wear it under your chin. Don't wear it just there. Don't bother. Why bother when why do you have to go through all this trouble? Might as well not wear it, right? Might as not wear it. Either you do something with consciousness, with responsibility, or you just forget it altogether. Don't bother. Why bother? So that's the way to do it. Nose, mouth, snugly fit, that you're not spraying around in the air. You understand? Keep your germs to yourself and take it around with you, but be responsible whatever you're doing and do it properly. Do it responsibly and properly so that things don't get missed out or messed out.